Good day, everyone. So let's quickly move to the next exercise in the New General Mathematics Book 1, exercise 20C, page 21, number 1. So we are going to be solving the question A, B, D, E, and N. And then I will now leave the rest for you to practice on your own. The rest of the questions there, but we are going to be solving A, B, D, E, and N of question number 1 in page 21. So let's start without wasting much of our time. The instructions is there. Always pay attention to the instruction. The instruction says express the following numbers in digits only. Express the following numbers in digits only. So meaning we should write all these numbers in digits only. The first one is 2 million naira. 2 million naira. This number is expressed in both the digit and the word. The digit there is the 2, while the million is in words. So we have to what? Express them in digits only as it has been stated in the instruction. So let's start. The first one, so we have 2 million naira in digits only, meaning we are going to write the 2, and we know that million is having 6 digits, 6 zeros. And don't forget, we have to write this in threes. So we start 1, 2, 3. We leave a space, then 1, 2, 3. So with this, we are done with the first part of question number 1, A. So we move to B. The B says 150 million kilometer. 150 million kilometer. The same way that we have done for the first one, we do it for that. So we have 150 million kilometer. In this case, this one has a different unit, which is kilometer, compared to the first one that is of naira. So we say also 150, then the million, we write the digit in threes. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, without adding any commas there. Then the big part of it is a little bit, we have 5.5 million. 5.5, and this one we have to put the what? Don't forget your unit always. So 5.5 million. In writing this, you say 5.5. 5 whole number, 1 over 2. 5.5. So we write it that way also. 5.5, meaning 5 and then half million. So what does that mean? It means 5 million. 5 million, we write it in threes as we have said. Then and a half million. A half million. What is a half million? Meaning half of 1 million. That is, what is it? That is 500 million. So we add it plus 500,000. Sorry, half of a million is 500,000. So we write it that way. So we now add it together. So we have 5 0 0 0 0 0. So this is in what? In digits only. In digits only. Then the E part, we have 2.1 trillion. 2.1 trillion. The same way we have done for that, this is about a decimal number. So the same way we are, why the one that we just finished is what? A fraction. So then we need to have a little understanding. You have to apply a little understanding of decimal here. So in doing this, it means that we have 2.1 simply means 2 plus 0.1. So when we say 2.1, we mean 2 plus 0.1 trillions. So we put trillions in brackets. Trillions. We know that how many, so we put trillions, meaning that we have 2 trillions. Then we also have 0.1 trillions. Trillions is of 12 zeros plus 0.1 trillion. How do we write 0.1 trillion? Decimal fractions. In this case, 0.1 can be written in a fraction as 1 all over 10. When you put the point to this side, it means that you will be dividing 0.1 when you take the point here, meaning that you have 1 all over 10. So, meaning 1 over 10 multiplied by trillion, meaning 1 trillion. 1 trillion. So 0 will take care of 1 0 here. So this becomes 100 billion. So adding 100 billion with 2 trillion will then give us what we have. So let's move on. We then give us what we have. Adding that, so we have 2 trillion plus how many zeros after the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we write 11, but don't forget we have to write our something in what? In threes. 11, this is 9, this is 9. So we have this and this. Then we have our 1. So we add them together. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then the 2. So here is it that we have written it in digit only. Then the last but not the least is the one that has to do with also the decimal point. 0.058 billion. It means 0.058 billion. You can say multiply, as you have said in the other one, multiply by 1 billion. Because 0.85 billion times 1 billion will also give us 0.85 billion. So 0.85 billion times 1 billion. Billion is of 9 zeros. 9 zeros. So in multiplying, the short way of multiplying numbers like this, most especially the one that comes with 1 and many zeros like this. So we try to shift it, for us to multiply it. How many zeros do we have here? We have 9 zeros. So we shift the point, this point to the right 9 times. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we now add zeros to them. So then we now begin to write it in threes, as we have said 0, 0, 0, then 1, 2, 3, another 0, 0, 0, then we also have 0, 8, 5. So this is, that is it, which is said to be 580 million. It means that 580 million naira is the same thing as 0.058 billion. And here is it. So I want you to also take a look at that exercise and try other questions under that number 1. We have many other ones, but we are just choosing 5 out of about 10 or 15 questions that are there. Thank you for watching.